Alright, so here is a quick tip. If you know it very well, if you don't know it, you'll come to know about it. I'm going to show you how you could use a file manager inside Vim. That is as simple as that. Okay, so let me reiterate. I'll show you how could you use file manager inside Vim. Although Vim has got an inbuilt file manager, netrw, which people most often not use, those who are not well deep into it because of the awkwardness. Nonetheless, it's fine, it's functional, and it used by many, including me, but not so popular, to be very honest. So to tap the outside uh, file manager inside Vim, to take advantage of it, I use a software called VIFM, which is uh, heavily uh, heavily uh, make out of Vim's capability. That's why the name VIFM, that is VI file manager. I'll be taking advantage of it inside Vim. Okay, so pretty darn simple. Let me go to my terminal, and if I open buffer, this is my initial Vim screen, and say I have a keybind to call up that file manager, which is called VIFM. Okay, so local, there is a two kind of leading key inside Vim. One is leader, which is primarily the leading key before you actually call the keystroke, and local leader. This is the second kind of key, which will again use the leading key, then the command keystroke. So leader and local leader. So my leader is mapped with semicolon, and my local leader mapped with a forward slash. So in this case I have forward slash and VV. See, it comes up with the file, and this is called VIFM. I made a video about it. You can go back to the channel and have a look at it. So this file manager is heavily influenced by Vim. So the point is that I'm accessing it within the Vim by giving a keystroke, in my case local leader, then VV, which will call up this. So, and it has got a built-in capability like many other Vim features, that uh, you can open multiple file at once. So if I do, like, it has got a built-in keystroke called T. Okay, so if I do T, see, it gets selected, T and T. I selected three files. Now if I press enter, see, three of them get open, but it's open one at a time. So how do you know whether it's open? You have to search the buffer, enlist the buffer. um, See, I have buffer listing like this, which is combined with FZF. Your case might be different. If you have a plain enlisting of buffer by leader B, which is the case with me also. So see, I can see this other two buffer which are having this file, like what I choose from the file manager and press enter to open three files in three buffers. Okay, so now this hash is the secondary file, which is open behind the scene. The percentage at the bottom, what is where I am in right now, and these are the secondary files, these two. That's why it's showing me the preview. It's a kind of mechanism I do. You don't have to, but you can easily enlist the file uh, in some other way. I choose to do it in this way. Okay, so for my convenience. So if I press, see, I'm in this file. Yeah, I'm one of this file. Okay, so if I can go to the next file like this, like normal process, by leader N and leader P to go back and forth between the buffers where the files get open. But the point what I was trying to say, that you can bring up the file manager with a keystroke. Okay, so if I do, mm, so to give you, so look at the bottom of the screen. I'm Warbo's map, and I said I have local leader and VV. Look at the bottom of the screen. uh, I'm simply mapping VIFM, which is a file manager, inside Vim to do all kind of stuff people generally do inside a file manager. And to be very honest, I use this file manager capability very very seldom. Okay, it's not a frequent operation, but I kept it there, and time to time I hop onto it. It is one of the occasion when I'm making this video just to show you how you could tap external file manager inside Vim. So this file manager could be replaced with your choice of file manager. So it could be anything, whatever you use. It's just about pointing that file manager and make some adjustment to your editor to get it called inside that file, inside the editor you are in. Okay, so I thought it would be useful to show you people that um, so you might take advantage of it. Okay, I hope it will be useful for some people.